Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to schedule a call on Skype app on Android device. Well, learning how to schedule calls on the Skype app can help you organize your time and communicate more effectively. It is useful for setting up meetings, interviews, or catching up with friends at a convenient time for both parties. And also, scheduling calls ensures that everyone involved is available and prepared, reducing the chance of missed connections or misunderstandings. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly enter the Skype app on your device. After that, select the conversation and then click profile here. Okay, so now you can select schedule a call. So on this page, enter a title, enter a date, enter a time, and reminder alert according to your needs. Okay, lastly, click send. Well, that's the tutorial on how to schedule a call on Skype app on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.